Tanner, what's up?
What's going on?
So, starting the video off, we have something funny to show you. I am installing, as from the title you know, I'm installing new shocks on the mini truck. This thing needs some TLC, so I'm gonna give it to you guys. Some of you guys have been commenting, where's the mini truck, where's the mini truck? I still have it. I'm just saving up some money, putting some money into it, but this is actually hilarious. We just got the new shock on the front. I'm gonna show you guys all the details, but this is hysterical, so I wanna show you guys this first. So Tanner is gonna bounce on this side with the new shock, and watch the bad side. Do them again. It sits there and goes whoop, whoop. And then let me show them this side when you do it. You know, normal, but like even the back is like shaking. Anyways, it's just ridiculous how blown these shocks are, so let me show you. Or Tanner, actually show them the rebound on this shock. So you push it in.
No move.
No movement. So the only thing that brings that shock back out is when you hit another bump and it forces the weight of the truck back up, and then it'll kind of sit there and go. So back here, let me whip out the new ones. The shorter ones are the front. You want to open this? See if there's bushings in that one. Maybe it's in another. Oh, there is. So they're really cheap, simple. They work a lot better than the other ones, obviously. So when you push it in, that's what we were missing. First things first, the top of the shock, it's a 14mm nut, or two of them. Double nutted. So we put the ratchet on top and then the wrench below, and then Tanner's in to strain and get a hernia real quick. We now have the two nuts off on the top, and then here down below at the bottom there is a 17mm on both sides. So we're going to use the impact on one side and then a wrench on the other.
Reusing the bottom bolt.
Yeah, so save this bottom bolt, you reuse that. And then now
you have nothing.
That's a bad one as well. And then to get it in there, just compress it by hand, and then just slide it up in there as fast as you can. Make sure you got your lock washer and then your nut on that side over there.
It's fatter here. And then you got the skinny that goes down into the hole.
It's a skinny on the bottom.
Skinny on the bottom.
So it falls in the groove.
Yep.
And then our plate on top. Alright, then we're going to tighten that one up and then put the wheel on, and then we're done. It's that easy. It's day 2 now. I'm gonna do the rear. I already got one of them off, put the new one on. The old one, you can push it all the way in and it doesn't move back, so it's completely shot. One thing I noticed that's different is the bushings are inside the top of the shock. These are much better bushings. These are like removable, really easy, replaceable ones, but other than that, these seem like, you know, they're pretty good quality. I don't think they're gonna last more than probably like 30,000-40,000 miles, but for 86 bucks for all four, I'll take it. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I already jacked up this side, and then it's a 17mm. I have my small impact wrench, just a bolt on the bottom, bolt on the top of here, of the old one. It's on the top and the bottom, and then pull it off. If you can't get it off, take a flathead screwdriver and wiggle it, and I'll just show you guys how I do it. Pull the old bushings off, top and bottom. Grab the new shock, slide the top on first, And then that way you can push from the bottom. And slide the bottom on. Then slide your plate back on the top. Plate on the bottom. And then your lock nut on bottom. Lock nut on top. Nut. Impact. And that's it. New shocks in, lower it, and hopefully it rides a lot better. I did the front and it rides so good now. Much better. That's the install on the new shocks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna put new tailgate handle and door handles on the truck, and then I'll be back drivable. I gotta fix these. I gotta add some new license plate lights, and then I think I'm gonna do body work next, and then prep it for wrapping it. So the mini truck's getting a lot of love lately. I still got some stuff to do to the Subi as well. So in the meantime, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet already. And I think that's it. Later.